Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can add hashtag on Pinterest. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Pinterest application. Now you will be appear with the home page of Pinterest. So on the below side of the screen, you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, you can start creating new photos or anything. So let's say we use pin. So here for example I choose one of the picture and I'll just go to next, and here on the title section you can describe the picture, you can give the description to the picture, you can add a link. And here, so in order to add a hashtag, so let's say in here in the description section you can add a hashtag. So for instance I have written a fashion. After you choose the hashtag, after you add the hashtag, you can just go ahead and upload it or create it, and once you are done you are good to go. So that's all guys, this is how it is, easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.